Okay, now that we've got our drips added to the pixie dust trail the way we want, we can start adding a little color, which is the last step. I've done a little adjustment on this. I would probably spend more time adjusting this, and you can spend as much as you like to get it just perfect. But that's the part of it that where you really get into the creative process and enjoying yourself and getting it to look exactly the way you want. But for now, this will do. So let's push ahead and go ahead and add the last layer, which is the color. So go into your comp here, your Pixie Dust build comp, right click and go down to where it says adjustment layer. There we go. So there's our new adjustment layer, and then we're going to add not particular, but we're going to go down to trap code and add their star glow. There we go. And that's out of the box. Got this nice, I guess, Christmas sort of a Christmas look to it, but you get the idea. It's going to create a glow effect around the stars and the particles to sort of give them more of a pixie dust effect that we're going after. But we have to make a couple adjustments. First, let's go into here and look at their presets. If you go up here, they have their presets. If you roll that down, you have all these different types of presets. You can just pick whatever you want. Red, star, white. But what we're going to pick down here, let's go down to warm star. And that's getting us fairly close to the color we want, sort of a gold. Other things I'm seeing here that we can adjust would be the length of the star effect in and of itself. So we go over here and star length, let's turn that down to about 10. That looks pretty good. I think I'll go down to 8. And this is all preference. This is where you can use what you feel works for your taste or your client's taste. But there you go there. That looks pretty good there. Let's do a little adjustment on the color. We go down to our first layer of color. I'm going to go to 3. Right now it says 1 color. I'm going to change this, which is the orange, which is what it's looking at now. Then you can tell because it has a little square around the droplet. But I want it to vary just a little bit. I'm going to say 3. And I'm going to make the red, which is the outer color, more of the orange here. And make the yellow, orange that we have here, more of the inner color, yellow. There, like so. So now I like that gold look a little bit better. That's better. That's more to my taste. Okay. And then we have one more layer of color that we can put on top of that. And let's do the same thing here. Go to 3, and I'm going to really try to push more toward the warmer orange colors here. Let's go more the orange color there. Take the other droplet here. Do the same thing. Get these down a bit. Okay. So you sort of get the idea. Oops. Of adding the color. Oh, that's a bit more green than I want, so let's make this yellow more this direction. So you get the basic idea. There's a great deal to play with here in this particular star glow effect, but you can see how effective it is. It really gives that sort of that finishing touch to the overall trail. Okay, I would probably dial that back a little bit, but for right now this looks pretty good. Let's make another little change here as far as the occupancy. Let's turn it down to about, I don't know, 68%. So it's not so heavy. Oops, I'm going to make it 68, not 600. There we go. There we go. Ooh, that might be too much. Let's turn up a little bit more. About there. Okay. That feels a little bit better to me. All right. So that's your pixie dust trail. There's a lot that can still be done. There's a lot of tweaking and adjustment, but that's the fun part. But you're there for the most part. If you go back through the tutorial, you can look at how to better tweak it to your taste. But overall, pixie dust. Anyway, it's been fun. I hope you enjoy this. You can use this effect in many different ways, and later on I'll make some tutorials to show you how you can do that. But now that you have the main comp built, you can go from there, making the adjustments you like to make. That's it for now, and bye. Talk to you later.